We are learning the Election Commission officials are meeting the president at this point in time. There are visuals also coming in. Well, at this point in time, we are learning that is the big development that has taken place. Well, the Chief Election Commissioner is meeting the president at this point in time, and they are going to apprise the president of the election results, and this will set in motion the formation of the next government. All right, my colleague Vedant also now joins us on the broadcaster. Vedant, well, the Chief Election Commissioner as well as other EC officials are meeting the president at the moment, and the president is going to be apprised of the election results.
That's right. So this is, an important aspect of the procedure. Remember, this sets in motion the constitution of the 18th Lok Sabha, and we witness this every time general elections are held through the Election Commission delegation, including the Chief Election Commissioner and the two ECs. What we're being told by sources has handed over the list of winning candidates to the president. Now the president will essentially invite the single largest party, which in this case is the BJP and of course the NDA, to stake claim to form the government. This is an important part of the procedure, remember, because now the Prime Minister, who has been chosen as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance, has the right to stake claim to form the government. It was at the NDA meet yesterday where he was chosen as the leader of the alliance, and it will be at the parliamentary party meet tomorrow that the Prime Minister will be chosen as the leader of the parliamentary party, after which, of course, the oath taking will take place. So essentially, Kitty, what these visuals mean is that the election process is now behind us, and we are now going into the 18th Lok Sabha with the National Democratic Alliance in majority, and the NDA, make no mistake, will be forming the government. That essentially is what these visuals mean. Remember, after this, as I said, the president will be inviting the single largest party to form the government. Remember, it was also yesterday, Kitty, when the farewell dinner was hosted by the president, and of course the cabinet had recommended the dissolution of the 17th Lok Sabha, and then the president, on the recommendation of the cabinet, had announced the dissolution of the 17th Lok Sabha. So now, of course, with this, tomorrow the parliament, we are all set for that parliamentary party meeting
the NDA has the numbers, and the NDA, of course, is most likely to form the next government. Prime Minister Modi, also we are learning through ANI, is going to be sworn in on June 9th.